Hello everyone. We're planning to build a 12 by 16 shed here. Before we build the shed, we need a solid level foundation. Here is the designated site for our shed. As you can see, there's a plenty of grass, a lot of weeds and uneven ground we need to tackle first. So step one was to clearing out the overgrowth. I'm starting up by taking the lawnmower to cut down the tall weeds and grass as short as possible to give us a clean slate. Next up, it's time to break the ground. So I'm using a tiller across the entire footprint. This is going to churn up the roots and loosen up the soil so we can reshape and level this area. This is how it looks after tilling the area. All the grass is loose. With the soil broken up, the real work begins right here. I'm using a heavy duty garden rake to pull out all the loosened roots, weeds, and simultaneously starting to smoothen out the surface. I'm moving out all this soil uh, into the garden on the back. I'm taking dirt from the higher spots and moving it over to the garden and continuously grading the area until the entire pad is flat and uniform. So here I'm using the shovel to take out all the loose soil from the top to get to the firm ground underneath. The ground is cleared, graded and looking much better. Now we have a nice compacted level dirt pad ready for the foundation layout. With the site prepped, we now move on to prepping our foundation timber. We bought 4x4 pressure treated lumber for the foundation perimeter which goes on the ground. And here I'm measuring out our cuts using a speed square to get a perfect line and using the circular saw to notch out a lap joint so the perimeter beams lock together securely. I have the shed design video on my YouTube channel. It's 12 by 16 shed. So the layout timber is cut and our site is fully prepped. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the foundation video. Thank you.